Hello everyone, we are here now in Victoria, BC, and I'll show you the beautiful castle.
The suburb of Victoria.
Okay, let's go around. I'll show you this beautiful castle. Castellong Buhangin. Is there a entrance fee?
We'll find out.
Let's find out.
The fee is to believe. I hope it's part of the property tax.
Maybe there's no property tax here.
It's different here.
Wow.
Too many forests.
No, look, too many sunset.
Too many sunset. Too many sun grill.
Here we go.
It's really a castle, eh?
Very nice. Show me your camera. Where is our guide?
Our tour guide disappeared.
Oh, there.
What do you call this castle?
I'll show you the outside of my castle. Very nice castle. Okay, let's go inside.
Oh, they'll follow.
Let's follow our
Tour guide.
faster tour guide. They cannot wait for the visitor. Oh, look at that. Very, it's very strong foundation. Oh, I don't know why we cannot go to the front. We have to go to the side.
Oh, that is the entrance.
It looks like there's so many entrances here. There we go. Oh, see? Now we know the name. It's Hatley Castle.
Hatley.
Around the RRU.
Royal York University.
RRU is the...
University.
There. On our right side is the RRU.
We're joining the tour.
We'll take picture later.
No, this is their castle. I'll grab your tickets from you and they let you inside. We'll go all the way towards the fireplace and carry on and for all inside.
We gotta get a ticket.
Oh, where's the ticket?
The garden booth.
Can we wait here?
I don't know how frequently the third one.
Okay.
Very pretty.
Before we go to the inside of the castle, we have to buy ticket.
The garden booth.
And here's the place to buy your ticket. The garden booth. And we have to find out. Let me check it out.
Can you go into the garden?
Royal Garden. Good. This is beautiful garden. Wow. Okay, we'll see the beautiful garden here. It's like this is like a maze. Amazing maze. Amazing maze. She's one of the visitor here from Ontario, Canada.
Hello. Welcome to
We'll get him at the top here.
Hatley Castle.
Hatley.
The tour.
Looks like a lot of hattie here. Oh, look at that, like a mushroom. And that's the castle.
Ang ganda ng ano, no? Yung playground nila. Siguro kung naging chambermaid man na ako dyan, ay inahaw ko na na castle.
Yep.
Are we allowed to go into the castle without a tour? Okay. Oh, okay. That makes sense. Okay.
Oh. Why you're so loud? Come up. Come down. Ow! Come down.
It's kind of interesting to contrast with like, you know?
Yeah, it's like that nature taking over.
Well, it looks like we cannot go to the inside of the castle because we have to book an appointment and it takes time. The next tour will be around 2 o'clock and we don't have time to do that. Anyway, we saw outside and that's good enough. Inside probably mostly a big room, solid room, but that's okay. I'm just gonna go to the garden and appreciate the beauty of this magnificent castle. Another angle.
Linggo na lang ako babalik, sabi ng ganun. Baka nag-ano.
This is RR University.
Wala tayong magagawa. RR. Ano
RR.
pangalan ng RR? Yeah.
Railroad.
And this is Hatley Castle.
The Hatley Castle front. Wow.
Hindi, nagkagala na kami ko. Alas 12. Sabi nga ni Kinuglo, ang gaganda ng dad ko tumatakbo. Ano nagkama ng ano daw? Great post ang kapandal. Kasi ano yung nasiraan ko? May hinaikabit ko transmission. Eh, hinanap ko.
Rose Garden.
Hinanap ko. Tapos ito, ito yung kay Rasul na... Hindi nakala lang pang binilog.
Trying to hide to the water.
Hindi kang walang battery pag nangipausap sa akin eh.
Japanese garden daw. Okay, to the left. To the left.
Maaari pa ate, more than that. Nasa hospital ka na eh. Buhay na yan eh, tao na eh.
Japanese. Nope. The Japanese garden. Stay there, stay there. Stay there, stay there.
The duck? He always share things with him to let people know. Hindi man sa inyo. Kasi inalala naman mo. Siyempre, man sa inyo.
I guess we cannot go to the other side.
Tatay tahimik eh. Yung isa? Baka nasa Pakistan na. Bayaan mo na ko yun. Dalawa naman yun. Sabi nga nanay. No,